Today we've got an unboxing of a Craftsman CMCE030B, otherwise known as a Craftsman 20-volt rotary tool. Comes with 33 pieces. Variable speed 6,700 RPMs to 34,000 RPMs. This box is the tool only, so you will need their 20-volt batteries to operate. Discard the cardboard. Now that's a nice little box. We got some polishing tools, some cut-off wheels, sanding wheels, cut-off wheels, adjusting screw, or adjusting wrench, I like this right away. The handle has a little bit of weight to it. Decent length cord. Okay, let's load it up. So I have just a simple Craftsman 2 amp hour battery here. 2 bars. Let me go get a scrap piece of wood. Okay, we're loaded up there. Let's see what kind of damage we can do. That was weird. Okay, so this is just shut off twice already. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. Here, a little spot for your wrench. It's got a little spot for your bits here. And keep everything pretty much organized. I know for a fact that I'm usually always losing bits. And it still sort of fits on there, even with that wrench on there. All in all, I think this was worth $50. It does do a bit of light carving, if I could focus in on this. And I'll practice carving this next month. Well, that is the Craftsman CMCE030 rotary tool. I will have to read through these instructions. Maybe I could figure out why it did stop on me a few times when I was using the carving bit. But yeah, I think it's nice. I mean, it's light enough where you can carry it around. You won't need a plug. Well, that's all I've got for you today. Please feel free to check out the other videos. Thank you. Good luck with your projects, and I will talk to you soon.